In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to reset Tradingview settings or charts back to default. So if you want to change the chart or the candlestick back to default, I'm going to show you now. So it's actually simple. If you just see your chart messy or something and you just want to make the candle look normal as it was, just right click, simple. Right click and then click on reset chart. It's gonna come back to where it is, as you can see. Right click, switch. So, and also additional, like another bonus, assuming you mistakenly like shift your resistance or support, assuming you mistakenly just shift it from where it was, assuming like this or something, or you shift it, you can simply just press on keyboard, just press Ctrl Z and it will come back to normal. Ctrl Z. Whether you are in the app, as I'm using the app, or you are in the web browser on Chrome, it's all the same. So that's it. Hope you find it helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful. Thank you for watching.